and welcome to another video on my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a piano tutorial for the song Dwala by Dwala. So I'm doing in the key of A flat, and the song was done a few years ago, but then recently there was a version that she recorded in Eswatini, and that's what I did my cover on. But it seems like that video's not available anymore. But if you do want to hear the original song, you can check out my cover, because that's where I was doing a cover to it. So anyways, let's look at it, right? So there are 4 different parts. I'll break it down for you guys. So the first part goes like this. Right? So it's just those 4 chords. What are we playing here? Left hand's playing a 6 octave, right hand's doing a 6-3-6, but you can also just add the 6 in the left hand if you want, right? So 6-3-6, 6-3-6, both hands. Da 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 da. Left hand's doing a 2-1-2, right hand's doing a 4-6-1-4. Now left hand's doing a 3-1-3, right hand's doing a 5-1-5. Now left hand's doing a 6 flat 4, right hand's doing a 6 flat 7 2 6 flat. Alright. Now left hand's doing a 6 3 5 6, right hand's doing a 7 1 3 5 6. Right, then it repeats again. Da, 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 da. Then it repeats again. Da, 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 da. So you just repeat that 2 times, right? That's the first part down. Now let's go into the next part there. The next part goes like this. Da, 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 da. I'm sorry. Da, 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 da. So that's literally how that part goes, right? So that was the first part. Then I'll show you the second part after we break this one down, right? So it goes like that. I think it's a part that goes. That part. So da da. So the left hand's playing a 4-1-3, right hand's playing a 6-1-3-6. Da 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 da. Now left hand's playing a 3-1-2, right hand's playing a 5-1-2-5. Then you repeat. Or you can do this, you can now left hand play a 1-5-3, and right hand stays on that 5-1-2-5, or just keep it simple as just play the same thing, which is 3-1-2 left hand, 5-1-2-5 right hand. Then repeat. Yeah, so I said da 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 da. We're going to play this chord over here, where left hand's just going to be playing a 2-6, and right hand's going to be playing a yeah, this is the chord right here. 5 flat 6, yes. So left hand's going to be playing a 2-6. Right hand's going to be playing a 5. No, it's a 3 5 flat 6 2. Yeah. Yeah. Then now left hand's going to be playing a 7-2-7. Right hand's going to be playing a 2-5-6-2. Right. Then now left hand's going to be playing a 6 flat 4 6 flat. No. And right hand's going to be playing a 7-2-4-7. So left hand's playing a 6 flat, 4, 6 flat, right hand, 7, 2, 4, 7. Right, now we're going to this part over here where left hand goes to play a 4, 1, 3, right hand plays a 5, 6, 2, right? So it's pretty much the same thing as what we played the previous time, because as you can see, I'm just playing these notes here, but pay attention to these notes. It's a 3, 1 left hand, 2, 5, 1 right hand, right? But then if I just keep the left hand on that 3, 1 and then give the left hand the 2 from the right hand, then the right hand is currently just has that 5, 1, right? But remember now with this 5, 1, previously I added that 2 there and the 5 there, right? So all I did is I left out those notes and just played this over here. So it's literally still there. Right, so but for the second part, right? So that's you playing there, right? And then we're gonna play a 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 1, 5, 6, 7, 1, right? Then left hand's gonna then play a 5, then right hand's gonna be playing a 5, 7, 2. Now left hand's playing a 5 flat, right hand's playing a 5 flat, 7 flat, 2 flat. Now left hand's playing a 4, right hand's playing a 4, 6, 1. Now left hand's playing a 3, right hand's playing a 3, 6 flat, 7. Right. Then next you're playing a 6 chord. So left hand's playing a 6, 3, 6, right hand's playing a 3, 6, 1. Right, so let's just recap all we did there. So we played out. Repeat. Right. So now this is the second time we do it, instead of going up, we're doing this part. So left hand's playing a 4, 1, right hand's playing a 3, 5, 6, 1. So then 5 chord or 7 chord. So left hand's playing a 7, 3, 7, 5, 7. Right hand's playing a 2, 5, 2. Right? Now left hand's playing a 1, 5, 1. Right hand's playing a 2, 3, 5, 1. Right? Because we're resolving it over here. Then next part we go into the chorus. Right, so the chorus is where things start a bit different. So, how I usually play the chorus is I play like a so I'm playing a 4 chord, a 6 chord, 5 flat chord, 5 chord, 4 over 1, 1. Right, so how I play it is left hand's playing a 4, 1, 3, right hand's playing a 5, 6, 1, 3, your 4 chord. Now you're playing a 6 chord, so left hand's playing a 6, 3, 5, 6, right hand's playing a 7, 1, 3, 5, 6 chord, then left hand's doing a 5 flat octave, right hand's doing a 6, 1, 3, 6. Now left hand's doing a 5, 2, 5, right hand's doing a 6, 7, 2, 3, 5. Or you can leave out the 3 and just do a 6, 7, 2, 5. Now left hand goes to a 5 octave, right hand goes to a 6, 1, 2, 4. Right, now left hand is resolving to a 1, 5, 1, right hand's doing a 3, 5, 1, 3. So how do I play that? So literally I just repeated the entire chorus, right? So left hand I said you're doing a 4-1-3, right? But right hand we want to do a 6-1-3-5, right? But now this chorus section, I recently watched a video of another guy doing a cover for the song, and instead of playing this, he went like the jazz route. So I'm also gonna just show you guys how you can also play that here. So instead of playing the chords I played, which were 4, then 6, then 5, then suspended 1, this is what he did, right? So he kind of still stuck to the idea of going from a 4 to a 6 to a 5, but he did it this way. So his first chord is a 2-6-1 in your left hand, right? 2-6-1 in your left hand, and then in your right hand you are playing a 3-4-6-1, and you're playing a jazz like so with a bop like 1, 2, 3, 4. See with that? So that's your first chord. Then you go to this chord over here where left hand plays a 6-3-6, and right hand plays a 1-3-5-7. Same way. Right? Then your third chord, left hand's playing a 7-5-6. Then right hand's playing a 7-2-5-2. Very wide chord, this one. But I guess you can kind of get away with doing this. If you can't stretch that far, make your left hand play a 7-5-6-7, but you can use your thumb to play the 6 and the 7 together, right? So you play this. Sorry? Right? Then the other chord. Then the last chord you're playing is this chord over here, where left hand's playing a 3-7-3, and right hand's playing a 2-5-7-2. So all together. So that's the entire chorus. So how does that sound with the words that have been sung? So it sounds like right? Now let's go to the ending part, right? So for the ending, it's going off the chorus where it's going. I'll just repeat it one more time. Your final chord is this chord over here, right? So what are you playing at? Both hands are playing a 4. So left hand's doing 4, right hand's doing 4 octave. Or 3, and left hand's doing a 3, right hand's doing 3 octave. We're doing our one chord. Left hand's doing a 1-5-1, right hand's doing a 2-3-5-1, right? Then repeat again, 4, 3. Now left hand's doing a 4-1-3. You can add the 5, or you can do a 4-1-5. The 4-1-5 sounds better. Do the 4-1-5. 4-1-5. The right hand's doing a 6-1-3-5-7. Right. If you can add the 3, play it. You can play a 3 and a 5 together. Play it, because you have a very, very big chord over here, right? So that's what I'm saying. If you can, leave out the 3, or if you want to leave out the 3 and just do a 4-1-5 left hand. Right hand, do a 6-1-3. You're already playing the 5, so if you want to, you can leave out the 5 because your left hand is covering the 5, so you don't have to play that 5. You can just do the 7. So you can just do this chord. Right. So again. That's the last chord of the song. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial here. Till next time, guys, stay blessed.